Do you have a civic complaint in your ward? Do you believe in ushering a positive change? If yes, then log on to ichangemycity.com and lodge your complaint or grievances.
Janagra is introduced website is also good for people to solve the problem. Really help, but problem is not solved immediately. It takes a long time. The procedure is not correct in BBMP and government. So I will demand to 74th Amendment consultant to government.
No, it is a good move. Janagraha has taken almost from all the 6 wards, people they participated in this program, and it's a bridge between the elected representative and our citizens. So after this program, I came to know a lot of challenges what our locality people are facing, and our whole team, we are together. We will try to find some solution for this. I hope in a couple of days, most of the problems what we have received today, it will be sorted out.
Janagraha ಒಂದು ಜನಗಳ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಜನ ಅವರಾಗ ಅವರು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದು ತಮ್ಮ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ರಮ ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದಾಗಿದೆ. ಅವರು ಕೇವಲ ಒಂದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆಗೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥವಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅವರಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅವರು ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಖಂಡಿತ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ರೂಪಿಸೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಖಂಡಿತ ನಾವು ಜನಗಳ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಿವಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದೇ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಅಥವಾ ನೂರಾರು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನ ಅಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗದಿಲ್ಲದ ಹೋದರೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿದೆಯೋ, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ರಮ ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Definitely it helps solve the problem, because first of all the complaint is registered, at least a document is there, and we can definitely analyze whether we can definitely take action, whether the concerned official has taken action or not taken action.
I think the response was phenomenal. I loved the fact that we created truly a platform. We were just a platform. Janagraha was incidental. I Change My City was the platform. What happened here was citizens connected with their elected representatives, their mayor, their MLA, their corporators. This is what we expect. And all of the agencies were here very positively, giving targets, noting down everything. The platform was phenomenal. It worked. It did exactly what I expected it to do, which is every single complaint had a unique ID. It had the ability for people to post comments, to post some solutions, and the locational value of saying this is exactly where the complaint is was phenomenal. So I expect that if all elected representatives and citizens in their constituencies come together like this, not all complaints can get solved. I mean, we are a city of 1 crore people, I'm sure, with more than 1 crore problems. But there are some which are low and easy to solve, some which just require communities to come together and do this as a collective, and some which require a light touch from the agencies. It's a light bulb to be fixed here, the contractor for garbage to be told there. Those are easy to do. Then there are the heavyweight ones which require deep financials, which require policy changes. Those are the harder ones. But the bulk of it, we should be able to get on the road. So I'm very delighted. I hope that all Janaspandanas go this way, and I hope that people start using this platform, owning it, and getting their communities, building great neighborhoods, and we'll together collectively create a great city that we all proudly call home.